In this video, I'm going to tell you a little about the Too Good To Go app and how it works. So Too Good To Go basically fights food waste through the app. Too Good To Go works with restaurants that have unsold surplus food at the end of the day and give the connectors of the app an option to buy the food waste that is still consumable at a discounted rate. So let's download the app from the App Store and see how the app works. When you first open the app, it will ask you to create an account, or if you already have an account, then you can log in. But since we're starting this from scratch, we're going to create an account. At this point, it will ask you to allow certain cookies. So we're just going to select the mandatory cookies and then just tap on allow selection. Now we have three choices here to sign up. We can sign up with our Google account, our Facebook account, or with our email address. I'm going to tap on continue with Google, and it will now ask you to accept the terms and conditions. You can also choose your country here, and you can see how many different countries this app is available in. Then I'm going to select my Google account that I want to use to sign up to this app. It will now ask you if you want to sign up for more great tips and interesting stories. So you have a choice here of hitting yes please or maybe later. I'm going to select maybe later. So now that we have signed up for the app, it is going to look for a location close to where we live or where we are at that present moment in time. And here on the drop down distance calculator, you can tap on a few different options if you only want to find restaurants and stores nearby. So tap on the distance and pick whatever distance you want to use. And unfortunately, there are no nearby shops, stores or restaurants as close to 3 kilometers to my location, so we can change that. Now you can see here the magic bags are basically a variety of different products that each restaurant supplies. So whenever you're ordering a magic bag, you won't know exactly what is going to be in that bag when you purchase it. And I can go through the different store options which are showing magic bags within 30 kilometers to me. Now, more than likely, if you live in a popular area, you won't have to travel so far to get one of these magic bags. So we're just going to tap into one of the stores here and see what it looks like. So the magic bag here is showing that it was £8 and is now down to £2.59. So you are getting a good deal to help with the food waste for this particular store and branch. And as you can see here underneath the address, it says what you could get: the magic bag rescue selection of goodies from the nation's favorite bakery, food on the go retailer. You can expect to receive a mixture of salads, sandwiches, bakes and sweet treats and so on. You also get a indicator of how good this store is at providing Too Good To Go service. So we've got a 4.6 rating out of 5. And the top 3 highlights here are great value, friendly staff and great amount of food. You do have an option then to reserve this food, and also in the top left you get an indicator of how many magic bags are left. So there's 4 left. Once you go into a little more information on this particular company, you can see that they have been using the Too Good To Go app for 1 year. It's been fighting food waste, and it tells you roughly how many meals have been saved. So if we change the distance from my location to the biggest distance that we have here, which is 30 kilometers, then I can get more of a breakdown of the stores that are available to me. And as you can see, these items at the top that are greyed out tell me that they have nothing available or that they were sold out at a certain time. Also, if I tap into one of the stores that I want to be using from here on in for the food waste app, then I can hit the little heart button and that will save this particular store to my favorites, which means it's going to be easier for me to get to this when I open the app. So what we are going to do is we're going to try and hit the reserve button to see what that brings up. Just know that if you are reserving one of the magic bags, you will have to go to this particular store and collect it. So we can select the quantity of how many magic bags we want, and then when we're happy enough with what we have, we can hit the reserve button. And that's just a little introduction on the Too Good To Go app and how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.